What's poppin', what's Gucci, guys? If you are new to the channel, welcome. If you're a subscriber, welcome back. So I apologize in advance if you see a lot of silhouette action going on. The sunlight is right above me and there's no shade or anything like that. But anyways, today's video is focused on the TAPTES USB hub that they sent me. And I've been meaning to make this video for a while now, so I apologize to TAPTES if you're watching this. I know it's long overdue. But yeah, the USB hub is meant to serve as additional ports so you can input like a power source, additional USBs, and overall it just keeps things a little bit more organized as well. So enough talking about that, let's go ahead and open up the package real quick. Alright, so here's the package. Doesn't look too big, but that's a good thing because I can fit it into the center console easily. Alright, so it's a clean looking box, and it says right here, I don't know if you guys can read it, but TAPTES or TAPTES, I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's their USB hub for the Tesla Model 3. And I'm not sure if this is the most recent or the most updated one. It says USB hub 01, so I'm guessing it's their like beginner version or something like that. But let's go ahead and open up real quick. So overall, I can say it's pretty nice packaging. I mean, it's pretty simplistic, but it does the job. There's the padding for safety, and here's the USB hub, and I don't know what that means here, but as you can see, there's two USB plugs, so it basically goes inside your center console, which I'll show you in a second, and then, or actually it goes this way because all the words are facing upwards, but yeah, so it goes like this, and then you would just push it in, and then all four of these ports should be working. So we have the data and power, so in case you want to, like, if you have one of those old iPhones where you have one of these USB plugs plus like whatever the other end is, then you'll use that if you want to like play music or charge at the same time. Then over here you have two additional power ports, so if you want to just like charge your phone, or if your passenger needs it for whatever reason, then you can go ahead and use these two. And then the Type-C is the newest, so I don't have, actually I might have it real quick. Yeah, this might be, nope, I do not have it, but Type-C is like all the new cables that Apple uses now, so if you have one of the newer iPhones, you might need a Type-C port. And the newer versions of the Model 3 have it in the back now. Unfortunately, mine doesn't. Mine has the regular like USBs, but yeah, let's go ahead and install it real quick. I'll turn the camera around and then face it downwards. Alright, so I have a ton of stuff in here. Just brace yourself for what you're about to see, you guys. Finally clean. Let's open this up, and as you guys can see down here, or I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but there's two USB ports, and I'm just gonna go ahead and take my hard drive off for now. Alright, so the hard drive is off and we're just gonna put it aside, but like I mentioned earlier, this is how you plug it in. So the two USB ports would just go directly into these two sockets here. So let's go ahead and try to do that, and it might be kind of a tight fit here. Alright, so I guess it fits pretty flush. The main struggle part is to try to get the plugs in. Oh, this opens as well, and I did not see this. So let me actually take this out for you guys real quick so we can take a look here. If you have like a USB or something like that, I'm guessing this is where you tuck it in. I guess this is meaning, oh, this basically means if you press down on here, then you can flip it open and you can plug in your phone. And then I don't know why they included a magnet, but here is a magnet. I'm just gonna leave it in here because I don't need it, and then it's their little guide. But we're gonna put that aside real quick and put everything back together so we can try to fit it in here. Alright, so I think I got it in first try here, so not too shabby. Just make sure everything is tight here, but let's go ahead and try to plug my hard drive back in real quick. So let's go ahead and organize it like this. And then since I want the data and power, I'm just gonna put it in the first slot here. And as long as my hard drive turns on, everything should be okay. And I don't know if you guys can see this, but it's blinking red, which means it's on, and I can feel it spinning. So yeah, this is TAPTES USB hub. I think it's pretty nice. Overall, I think it's really nice because it has this additional piece of storage, I would say. So in case you have any like anything important, you can also store it in here. I know a lot of people end up buying one of these the things that go up here, the hidden storage components that I don't have right now, but this is a secondary choice in case you do need additional storage. And just look, it's pretty organized. or it's pretty like flush and everything, so you can hardly notice that it's an aftermarket piece. And eventually I'm probably going to take the sticker off because it looks a little bit weird, but I'm going to put everything back inside now and close it up. Alright, so as you guys can see, it's pretty much, it makes no difference unless you flip this part open, then you'll notice something is there. But again, it looks like it's stock, so it looks really nice, and I give them props for that, because you know, a lot of aftermarket pieces can look a little bit tacky. So again, if you flip it down, then you can hardly notice anything is there at all. And just looking up at the screen here, you can see that the Sentry mode icon or the dash cam icon is there, so that means the functionality is working as well. Oh, and I know a lot of people use the JEDAS USB hub. I think it's called JEDAS or something like that, JEDAS or something, but a lot of people end up using TAPTES as well. So in case you want this for your own Model 3 or Model Y, I think they have for both cars. So TAPTES is the name. And again, just from first impressions here, I'm not like a tech geek or anything like that, but they provide you with a manual in case you need it on how to install it, and again, you just plug it in, so it's super simple. And since I don't have the other USB hub, I can't really compare it to the other one, but it's a USB hub, it's like 30 bucks, so I don't think it's gonna be that much different. If you've compared both of these USB hubs before, leave a comment down below, let me know what you guys think. But in my opinion, it does the job, it looks really simple, and again, it's only 30 bucks in case you need the extra ports. So yeah, I want to thank TAPTES one more time for sending me the USB hub. I think it's really nice and flush, like I mentioned earlier. And sorry again for the long overdue video. But yeah, you guys, I'll leave a link down below in case you want to check out the website. I think they ship stuff from like Hong Kong or something, so shipping times might be a little bit delayed. But I think they have an Amazon link as well, so if I can find their product, I'll link it in the description down below. Feel free to check it out. Getting accessories for your Tesla is always fun, so make sure to click the link down below in case you see it or if you want it. But aside from that, that's all I have for you guys today. If you liked the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. And if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that notification bell as well, because I post every single Tuesday at 11 AM Pacific time. But as always, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace.